So I recently made a bad purchase on buying a GMC 800. I was told this one has frame damage. We're not 100% sure just yet, but it got hit in this front corner right here. You can see like all the damage, like that's cracked. The wheel was totaled. The hood got damaged right here. The fender was totaled. Basically everything on this right side was totaled. And we're told that on the frame right in here has damage on it. And I was looking at this, it pivots in and everything. You would think it has damage, but on the other side, it looks completely the same. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try moving this upper control arm because the wheel kind of pokes out like to the right. We're gonna try moving this upper control arm and trying to force it to go back straight again.
Cause I got coffee, I'm good.
I put my extension in. I'm gonna try breaking this thing loose. Good luck.
I'll be tight.
Freak, I should have brought the scooter down here. I'll be back. Oh snap, I can't stop. I actually don't know if this is gonna fit on here. I might have to go get a swivel. Oh, it fits, barely. How are we gonna move the tire, Pap?
I have no clue.
That was such a long fall.
Evaluating the situation with my mind.
Oh, okay.
Get a flathead.
A flathead?
Yeah. Big
Okay.
one.
A big flathead?
Yeah.
All right, y'all said bring the biggest flathead. I brought this.
Well, that ain't doing nothing.
Okay.
Okay, that what?
Might have some camber going on this thing now. That pulled this bolt back instead of pushing this forward. And so that pulling it back pulled this back, but we needed it to go the other direction.
I think my vote's gonna be unloaded. He said something, I have no idea what he said.
Jump box.
Jump box is at his house.
Jump box is at your house.
I'm not.
He's not.
Just bring my truck down here and jump it off.
Guess bring truck down here, jump it off.
You want to start that? You don't have to
If you wanted to start, that's what you're gonna have to do.
Okay, I'm gonna go grab my truck.
Okay, he's gonna go he's gonna go.
do. Don't stutter.
Didn't your battery die yesterday?
Yeah, my battery died yesterday too. Be right back, I forgot something. Huh?
Where are they at?
Side. There's side terminals.
Ugh.
Really,
Y'all got some nice fancy frontier, but y'all got a cheap pair of jumper there. But after 9/11,
So they're rare.
after 9/11,
That's crazy.
you gotta think about safety, man.
That's true. Guy said we couldn't get the Corvette running without fingernail polish. I love that guy though. He's a crazy guy. I'm gonna end it, and then whenever you see me again, this truck's gonna be started. Shouldn't I have ate so many slices of pizza? My stomach kind of hurts.
Holy crap!
I thought I was dead.
Dude, that door just flung back.
My heart skipped a beat.
Imagine the door hit you and the hood already fell on you earlier.
It tried to jump off.
That did not sound good in there at all. That would have been bad if I was just sitting there like this.
Straight. Whatever you want to call that.
Watch out, Drew.
That actually did scare me.
You got PTSD. I think something's broken. I can't tell though.
You got a lot of sounds.
There's a freak ton of sounds coming out of here. Do you want to go look over there and see if anything's like moving funky?
What's this other battery guy? Do that again. Look at the hood. Do that again. Your seat moved. Did you see that?
Yeah. Do they roll back up? Oh my god, they don't roll back up. That door, oh my god. Alright guys, good morning. I'm going to the junkyard and picking up parts for this GMC. This literally has all the parts I need. Fender, hood, grill, maybe headlight. Alright, the hood is required. Holy moly. Finally, grill, fender, hood is all off this thing. Let's go home and put it on. All loaded up. Time to go put all this stuff on the car now. All right, so we picked up a hood and a fender, and in the truck we got a grill. Now we only spent 256 bucks, so we're gonna unload this thing and wash everything. You should see me trying to load this thing up by myself. So currently the plan is to take this hood off. That's gonna give us room over there to put back on the fender. After the fender's on, we're gonna put the hood that we got on back on here. So it's gonna look like a complete truck, but we still have some other things that I did not buy. We do have a grill. We need a front bumper, a headlight bracket, and a wheel. That's all we need. It's just a bumper, headlight bracket, and wheel. And we're done. Currently today, what is happening, hood's coming off, fender's going on, and the second hood is going on. Okay. Your coffee mug might be smashed here in a second.
Better not. So that's what my coffee cup. On my shirt?
No.
It's clean.
Yeah, there you go.
So it's not far off, but I can fix it.
Don't do that, Pap.
I yanked on it. Didn't do nothing. It's good on it. You stay here. You don't have a shirt on.
I do have a shirt on for anyone watching.
Let's set the fender up there and see what it looks like.
Okay.
We're a little bit closer. We might close enough.
How much further?
Inch and a half.
I don't think we're any closer.
I don't think we're any closer.
Get back out again.
We gotta get the fender lined up with this thing. We're gonna push it out. Once we have this thing pushed out, we'll report back to you guys.
The next day.
So yesterday we made a big oopsie and put this fender on. And the funny news is the door wasn't closing all the way. So we are taking the tubs off so we can actually like look at everything and make sure everything lines up fine. And hopefully we are gonna be able to put this fender on without the door hitting it. And we can actually open up the door and this fender sits on correctly.
I got the tub out.
Sounded like Lego pieces just in the floor.
There's a nut in my shoe.
All right, let's hung it. See if it helps or. Ooh. That feels good. My side don't fit.
Flathead.
What'd you call me?
Fathead.
What?
Have your coffee sitting right there from yesterday.
Yeah, no.
You want any?
No.
No. Yeah, it looks like it matches up pretty good.
Here, take it and tell him about that one.
So right there is the one that we were hitting whenever we put it in the door, but it looks like it lines up pretty good. You guys can't see it though.
Just get like 3 threads in and you're good.
This hole was supposed to line up with this one.
That's not even close.
Not even close.
Huh. Woo. It's looking like a new core support.
Is this supposed to be all the way out here? Yeah, it kind of looks like it, huh? Supposed to be all the way out to here.
You might need to buy a core support.
I'm thinking I'm gonna need to buy a core support.
I think you might need to buy a core support. Do you think he needs to buy a core support?
Yeah. Let's look up core support prices.
Tell him.
This core support's pretty pushed far back in there. Couple inches. So I just looked up core support prices. 160 bucks. That ain't bad, is it?
It's okay. We just go for it, right? We always we tend to get it done.
It'll all end up back together somehow. There's a few things that needs to happen on the GMC. Number one being the entire right side of the core support is crushed in and we cannot bolt up the fender to the core support. That needs to be changed. Number two, the headlight bracket. That bolts up the headlights. And currently there's nothing for the headlights to bolt to. That's on the core support. That needs to be changed. Number three, the bumper. It needs a new bumper. Number four, the wheel. So that leaves core support to be changed. I need that in order to actually rebuild the front end. Headlight bracket so the headlight can sit in the actual truck. Bumper, because there's no front bumper and we need a front bumper. Four, a wheel. I'm running on a spare tire. Nobody's gonna buy it on a spare tire. But the good news is, kind of runs and drives. That's good news. It wasn't doing that before. The truck was $3,800. I spent $250 at the junkyard. Core support's gonna be $169. The headlight bracket will be $30. Front bumper, I'm hoping for $100. Alignment, $80. Wheel, $100. That equals to $4,500 is what I'm hoping to be in this truck for. Cause then, that's pretty good profit. 3K profit. Hopefully we get all this taken care of in the next video. I do not have time to be changing out this core support. That is going to take us at least 3 days to change that thing out. Alignment, wheel, everything else should be done in a complete day. Subscribe so I can buy a car lift. I'm tired of carting around on the floor.